So today we're going to be testing out the CASEMATE Ultra Glass tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Google Pixel Fold. Now they state that it has a 5x shatterproof protection and it also has a anti-fingerprint coating as well. Now you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how durable this screen protector really is, and by the end of this video you'll know whether or not this screen protector is worth your time and money. So let's get started. So you get one screen protector, installation instructions, an installation guide, and an installation kit. So you always want to thoroughly clean off the screen with the alcohol wipe before you install the screen protector, and then thoroughly dry it. Remove any dust with the dust sticker. Then you want to take your installation guide and press it over the top of the screen, just like that. Then we're going to take our screen protector, make sure that the little cutout for the camera is towards the camera on the phone. We're going to peel off the underside just like this. Then we're going to place the screen protector down in the guide. And then just press down in the middle. And the screen protector should adhere to the screen. You can press down any bubbles that you might see. Then very carefully peel up the blue protector on the top, making sure not to lift the screen protector with it. And then you can lift up on your guide. Now if you see any bubbles like I have here, you can try to squeegee them out with your finger or maybe use a credit card. If you aren't able to get the bubbles out with a credit card or your finger, you can try to gently lift the screen protector and reapply it. Now I was able to get out most of the bubbles using a credit card, but there does seem to be one little bubble at the top here that does seem to be one little bubble here at the top that keeps coming back, but that's not a huge deal. As you can see, there is a cutout for the front camera. There is also a very large gap all the way around the phone screen for case compatibility, and I will be testing that out. There is also a rather large gap all the way around the phone for case compatibility, and I'm going to test that out as well. Now as far as touch goes, it is nice and smooth, feels just like the glass that's on the phone. There doesn't seem to be any issues with touch. You also don't have to worry about your selfie pictures because, again, there is a cutout for the camera. And as far as clarity goes, it looks exactly like the screen that's on the phone itself. Now let's test out our fingerprints. It does seem to do a pretty good job at fingerprint rejection. There's just a very minor amount of smudges, and you can very easily, without any effort, just wipe those away. So here I have the top part of a very popular Spigen case, the Thin Fit. We'll put this on the front of our phone. And as you can see, it pretty much comes all the way up to the edges of the case. And I don't see any lifting. So if you're looking for a case compatible screen protector, this is going to be a good one so far. The screen protector is also rounded off all the way around the edges, so if you happen to be running your finger across it, it'll feel nice and smooth. So now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So this is the drop test for the CASEMATE screen protector. We're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll raise it up foot by foot until it eventually cracks. All right, so here we go. Okay, so we're going to move on to 3 feet. 4 feet. 5 feet, 6 feet. All right, so not bad at all. The screen protector lasted up until a 6-foot drop. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So screen protectors typically start scratching at a level 6. We're going to start off with a level 5. Now we're going to move on to the number 6. And then finally the number 7. All right, so let's take a closer look. As you can see, there are no scratches at a level 5. There are some scratches at a level 6, and it seems to be almost about the same at the level 7. So this screen protector is definitely on par with other premium tempered glass screen protectors as far as scratch protection goes. So I'm definitely pleased with this screen protector. Installation was very easy. It has that nice gap around the screen protector for case compatibility. Drop protection is also pretty good, as well as the scratch resistance. So I would definitely recommend this screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And then let's simulate us trying to take it off the screen of our phone. So it does seem to crack a little bit more, but as you can see, it is fully intact. Now, if you guys want to pick this screen protector up, I will be putting a link in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video and it was helpful for you, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.